Imagine a world where AI rules the video creation game. In today's digital era, either you ride this AI wave, or risk being left behind. Don't miss out on these incredible free AI video generator tools that could be your ticket to success. The software we'll be discussing is freemium, meaning that they are free to try or they have a free tier of service, but you get more features if you pay for the premium plans. Let's dive into the world of Synthesia, an AI-powered video generator that's a game changer.
Hey, I'm Alex, and here's a quick Synthesia product demo.
Utilizing state-of-the-art AI algorithms, Synthesia crafts unique, lifelike videos that will leave your audience in awe. Not only does it facilitate video creation, but it also offers an intuitive video editor for those final touches, elevating your video's quality. Creating videos with Synthesia is a breeze. To make a video, enter a text input that will be spoken on the video. You must also select the style of the video and the AI speaker. You simply input your text, choose your desired style, and select the AI speaker. Now, let's explore its features. One standout advantage is the effortless conversion of text into professional-looking talking head videos with just a few clicks. Synthesia even accommodates lengthy videos, up to a whopping 30 minutes. But that's not all. Synthesia boasts a diverse library of video styles to suit your needs, whether it's product demos, marketing messages, or more. What's noteworthy is that Synthesia is not confined to English. It supports over 60 languages, making it a versatile choice for global clientele. With Synthesia, no prior video editing experience is necessary. You let the AI do the heavy lifting. Next up is Lumen 5, another AI-powered gem. It simplifies video creation by transforming your text input into professional video clips. Lumen 5 is ideal for those new to video editing. It handles all the complex work using AI algorithms trained on extensive data. Lumen 5 offers a library of free video clips and stock images and allows you to upload your assets. Its template library is a standout feature, making it a breeze to create videos that align with your brand. It's very simple to select a template that you like and start making videos that you want to produce. Notable features include quick repurposing of existing content. Lumen 5 will generate a video script if you paste a link to a blog post or article. There is also automatic video formatting to meet the platform's requirements on where you will upload the finished product. You can also connect RSS feeds to have videos automatically created whenever a new post or article is published. You can give it a shot with a free version, or you can purchase plans starting at just $19. Meet Runway ML, a comprehensive video editing software powered by machine learning. This browser-based tool offers a wide range of tools and functions, from masking to VFX, simplifying video editing from your browser. One highlight is multi-track video and audio editing, ensuring your videos look flawless. Runway's AI can even improve audio quality by removing noise. You can easily touch up video objects and backgrounds with its paint over feature and add subtitles that the AI detects automatically. Creators can modify their content using the site's multi-band video stream format. Runway can make the videos more interesting by using powerful analysis and metadata made by AI. Runway generates accurate and distinct depth maps that will enhance image realism. Other features include rotoscoping for quick green screen editing, automatic beat detection for perfect video-audio synchronization, stock media, and video templates. Runway ML is free to try but also offers various pricing plans to suit your needs starting at just $12 per month. Our next favorite AI video generator tool is Raw Shorts. Raw Shorts takes AI into the realm of animation. This AI-powered video editor makes animated video creation a breeze. It offers a vast library of objects, settings, and sounds, making customization simple. Users can customize their videos by adding text, branding audio, and graphic elements. When you enter your article or any other content in their system, the AI scans it for key points. It then searches for appropriate media assets and inserts them into the video. Other great features include quick creation of animated videos from text, ease of use, ideal for marketing and explainer videos, creative assistance from in-house experts. Pricing options include Essentials, Plus, and Business plans starting at $20 per month. Designs AI is a versatile design tool that excels in video editing. Notably, it boasts a text-to-video function, transforming your text input into engaging videos. It supports automatic translation, making it suitable for global audiences. It allows you to paste your text, select the type of video you want, specify the language in voiceovers, and let the AI do the rest. As a result, you'll have an engaging video that tells your story using powerful audio-visual elements designs. Designs AI features automatic translation for multilingual videos, a variety of templates, and team collaboration. Designs AI is free to try. Premium pricing options range from basic to enterprise, starting at just $29 per month. Congratulations for making it this far into the video. You're in for a special treat because most viewers don't stick around till the end. We saved a bonus secret AI tool just for you. We use this incredible AI video generator ourselves, and it lets us create captivating faceless cash cow YouTube videos that makes thousands of dollars in ad revenue, all in less than 1 minute. Invideo AI. I use this myself, and it allowed me to make multiple cash cow channels earning thousands of dollars per month. With over 7 million users worldwide and a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, it's the go-to tool for creating top-quality videos with just a single click. I included the link in the description and pinned comments so it's easier for you to access. Here's how you get started. 1. Click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account. 2. Log in and access your Invideo AI dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. You give the AI a topic, and it does the rest. At Invideo AI, you have multiple options for video creation. You can either write your own prompts or choose from various video types. For this example, let's go with a YouTube explainer video, ideal for engaging your audience. Here you have a few options. You can either simply write your own prompts in this box and hope to achieve the desired results, or from here, you can just select the type of video you want to create. In this example, I will select the YouTube explainer video. From here, now, I want you to select the length of your video. For my channel, I want the videos to be around 4 minutes. Then, in this box, you need to type in the topic of your video, which in my case is how to make millions in MarketCraft. Now, if you want, you can also add some more details related to what to talk about and what not to talk about in this video. Also, you can add creative thoughts and ideas here, like tone, humor, etc. Afterward, you can type in the kind of background music you want in your video. Next, you can select the gender of your voiceover in the video and the accent of the voiceover for your video. Then, in the watermark, you can simply type in the name of your YouTube channel. For video stock footage, you can select the different options available here and just click on Continue. On this page, click the Generate Video option. After searching for a few seconds, this AI tool will ask you some more information. You can select the type of audience you are creating videos for, the look and feel of the video, and the platform for which you are creating this video for. Just click Continue. Select your video length, add any specific details, and even specify background music preferences. You can choose the gender and accent of the voiceover, add a watermark with your channel name, and select video stock footage. Now, here's where the AI shines. And in just 30 to 40 seconds, it does the heavy lifting. It finds the perfect title, plans the script, records the voiceover, creates scenes, adds background music, and even inserts text. Don't worry about the watermark, you can remove it when you export the video. And there you have it, a professionally crafted video ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Rinse and repeat this process to keep your content fresh and engaging. So click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account right now. This could be the start of you making thousands of dollars per month with YouTube. If you want to know the best AI tools that I use to make money online, then go ahead and click on this video. I discussed the 10 best AI tools that made me rich fast.